In this lesson, let's explore what would happen if we try the other way around, putting normal flow elements before floated ones. As usual, we create a div and float it to the left. Then, before this floated div, we put a p tag. The final result has shown the floated div is under the p tag. Even if we float the div to the right, it's still under the p tag. If we switch the p tag into div, the result is still the same. Therefore, the conclusion is normal flow block tags will not be affected by floated elements behind it. But what if we try normal flow span? Any surprises? Yes, we've got a surprise here. The span tag's position has been taken by the floated div. If we lower the browser width, the div will move back to the second line, below the span. If we switch the span tag into the img tag, the result is still the same. If the browser is not enough to house them all, the div will go back to the next line. The conclusion is, for block normal flow elements, floated elements defined after it will not cause any problems. But for inline and inline block normal flow elements, floated elements defined after it will cause lots of problems. Therefore, you might want to avoid putting floated elements behind normal flow ones. Of course, there are always exceptions. Take a look at this, for example. This is the login page used by Amazon. On the fourth line, behind the password, there's a hyperlink called Forgot Password. Do you have any idea how to create this line? One of the most simple methods would be using float right. First, we create a div and set a width to it. Inside the div, we put a span tag and an a tag. We float the a tag to the right, and then we can get what we want.